Well, here I specify that I'm going to open a library. Here is the clock pin. It's connected to A4 in the Arduino. The DO is the data I0 pin. It's connected to A5 in the Arduino. The upper button is connected in 3 and the down button in 5. Here I open the library. I I say that I'm going to open a variable that is equal 0. The button delay is equal to 2000 and the quick delay is 1000. The blue LED is connected to 9 and here I also open another variable to collect a number. Here I specify that it's going to wake up the output button. Input pull-up is an output, is a button, and output is a LED. This is the byte of the clock, and this is the number that is going to show in the clock. Here I put an if that when I push the upper button is going to someone, and if and also in the counter I divide it by 3 and I collect that number in multiple. Here I put another if that is the multiple is that is the number that I collect is multiple of 3 is going to turn on the blue LED. Here is the same, just with subtract 1. Also, the collect number is multiple, and if the collect number is multiple of 3, it's going to turn on the blue LED.
Well, in this case, we must use the iron because in the Arduino use silicate, and in this case the cable is connect in A4 is the clock pin. In DO equal 5, the data I pin in. In this case, in the exercise 2, we use the left button and right button. The left button equal 4 is the variable will hold the value for the left button. And in right button equal 2, the variable will hold the value for the right button. Okay, then in this case, you use the TM and 1637 display. Display is the key on deal because screen new stands of display. You use the silicate on deal for the chronometer. Uh, in counter equals 0 is initial value. In button delay equal to 200. This variable will hold the value for a slower delay. Well, in this case, use int, and left left, middle left, and right left because you and the Arduino it has three LEDs, the color red, yellow, and green. Okay, and in multiply, the variable will hold the value of a sum. Okay, the voice setup. Um, Put your setup code here to run once. Use pin mode because use the left button and input follow. Wake up the left button. Okay, and pin mode right button. Use two buttons, the left and right. Input follow, wake up the right button. Okay, and pin mode left button output and middle left output and right left output. And wake up the middle left and right. And display curve is declare and evaluate. And display set break this is the variable the separate to the max and zero multiply it and display show number deck number 0. And in boil up and use the if because is the variable of use the digital read and left button. Low because is the low when the off left. Counter equal counter plus 1 is added to the counter. Display show number dead counter should the new value. And delay but delay and wait a few milliseconds on the nothing. And multiply equal counter person 8 because use the 8 is the sequential repeat the number with the legs on. The counter multiply of each a has a new value. And use finally digital right and digital right left and right left and quick delay is a wait a few milliseconds because use an on and off the left. Okay, and the right left, the middle left, and left left. That's all.
Cancel, cancel.